Hey friends, let's do Balls to the Wall guitar lesson, another fantastic song by Accept. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for our intro, we're doing a slide, then play 5th fret on the A and the D, palm mute the open E, then stay on A and D, 2, open, 2. So 2 palm mutes on the open E, back to the 5, A and D, 1 palm mute on the open E, 2 A and D, open A and D. This time do 3 palm mutes on the open E. 1, 2, 3. Do the first one again. The 5, palm mute, 2, O, 2, palm mute. Then to finish the rip off, we go 5 on the A and the D, 6 A and D, 7 A and D, and palm mute again on the open E. And we do that through 3 times, so slowly. Now the 4th time through, the start stays exactly the same. Now here we do our 1 palm mute and just go straight to a G chord. And that's our intro there. So our verse is pretty easy. We're just playing the G chord first, and then play 9 on the D and the G, slide back to 7 D and G. Then the next time through, just play the open D and G, and 7 D and G, slide up to 9 D and G. Now we're going to repeat this next riff 3 times. Open D and G, 9 D and G, slide back to 7 D and G. Open D and G, 7 D and G, slide up to 9. And just do that 3 times. And then to get us ready for the pre-chorus, we put a slide in there. And that's all the parts of the verse. So for our pre-chorus, we're just starting on a B power chord. Do 2 palm mutes on the open E, and then do an upstroke on the G chord. 2 palm mutes on the open E, back to the B chord. 2 palm mutes on the open E, to the A chord. 2 palm mutes on the open E again, back to the B chord. 2 palm mutes on the open E again, and to the G chord upstroke. 2 palm mutes on the open E, to the B chord. 2 palm mutes on the open E, and go to our A for a build up, so no palm mutes 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop and slide. And that's our pre-chorus there. So for our chorus, we're doing an E power chord to a B power chord. Just play the open E string. A G power chord, go back a fret to an F sharp. To the E power chord. 2 palm mutes on the open E. Back to the B power chord. 1 palm mute on the open E, and play a G chord, and then a D power chord. And we do that 3 times, so slowly. fourth time through the start stays the same, the E, the B power chord, the open E, then just go to a G power chord, play it 3 times, back to a D power chord 3 times, and finish on an E power chord, and we hold for 2 bars. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, that's exactly the same, back to the pre-chorus, which is the same, and then back to the chorus again, which is exactly the same. So for our solo rhythm, we've held that E power chord from the chorus for 2 bars, then we just go up to a high E power chord and hold that for 2 bars. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do that again. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to a B power chord, to a G chord, back to the B power chord, to an A power chord, and then just all holding for a bar, back to the B. This time go to a G power chord, back to the B, to the A, and do that again. B, G power chord, back to the B, to the A, and the last time B, back to the G, back to the B. Then we go to A. You're going to hold it for 3, 1, 2, 3, play the open E string, bend the 3rd fret on the E string, bend and release, and then an E power chord. And that's all the rhythm parts to the solo, and we'll do the solo at the end. From there we just go back to the pre-chorus, and that's exactly the same. So for our last chorus, it's exactly the same as our previous choruses, except we leave off that last E that we're holding for 2 bars. We're just going straight back to the riff. So we have the riff 3 times. We do that 3 times, and the 4th time through to our G, exactly the same as our previous, to the D, then just go straight back to the riff again. Do that another 3 times through, finish the same again, the G, to the D, and to finish off we have the E, B, open E, and finish on the G power chord there. And they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's tackle the solo. So this whole intro is going to be done on the 7th fret on the A string, and he's using pinched harmonics, and he's moving around to get the different pitches there. Now every guitar will be a little bit different. For me, I start over my middle pickup or thereabouts, hold for a bar, do it again, then again, then I move up the neck and move back to the bridge. So I get then the middle again, back, and then back, middle, neck. And then he's just doing eighth notes again, moving around on the pinched harmonics for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then he does 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does a slide. Then we have the main part of the solo. We're going to start on 21 on the B and the G string to a bend. Then just play 21, slide down. Hit the open B and on the E, 19, 21, 22, and do a bend on 22. Does another slide. Then we're playing the D, G and B string on the 12th fret. 14 on the D, back to 12, D and G. Do 2 mutes. And then 14 A and D to 12 A and D. Then we're coming back to the E string, do 5, hammer onto 7. 7 on the A, back to 7 on the E. 5 on the A, E, 7, 5, and jump to the 7th fret on the D string, pinched harmonics and bend. Then we're jumping back to the 2nd fret on the G, 2 bends and pinched harmonics. And this is all pinched harmonics, 2nd fret on the D, open, 2nd fret on the A, open, and then 3rd fret on the E. 2 mutes, go 7th fret on the D and the G, 2 mutes, 7th fret D and G, 2 mutes, 9, 7. Start on the 7D, go to the A, 9, 8, 7, pull off, slide back to 5, 7 on the E, jump to the 7th fret on the D with a pinched harmonic and a bend again. Then we're doing a slide. Now the A string, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, E, 5, 3, back to A2, E2. Then play 2 times on the A string. 4, 5, 4, 5, and then 5, slide up to 7. Then we're doing a bend on the 5th fret on the B string. We're going to bend and release and pull off to 3. And then just play 5, 3. Then we're on the G string. 4, 6, 7, 6, 4. To the D string, 7, 5, back to G4, D4, jump back to the G, 4, 6, 7, 6, 7, and then bend twice on the 7th fret on the G. And that's the main solo there, and that's all the parts to the guitar. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Balls to the Wall guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.